Good afternoon. How are you, all of you? Fine, no? After your long leave. Today I am taking fourth English for you. The name of the lesson is the seed of the truth. You know what is mean by seed? Seed is the inner part of the vegetable or fruit. Are you liking the planting? If you plant, we will plant the fruits plant and vegetable plant like that, no? We should plant the trees also. It is good for our health. Why? The trees are giving oxygen. It is good for our health. So we should like the gardening. Same like that here one king also liking the gardening. Here one story is there. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. The king was fond of gardening. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest plants, fruit trees, vegetables and crops. His people were very happy. The king did not have children. As the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. Who would take over the kingdom after him? Can you understand? Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise. What do you mean by just? Just means impartial. Impartial means what? Not making the partiality. If you want to write the meaning, take one book and write, okay? Just means impartial. For example, in class itself, see some students are talking with those who are get good marks only. That is partiality, no? We will talk with all the children, all of us our friends. For another example, some students are talking with those who are giving eatables in intervals. That is also partiality, no? We will have mingle with all the children, all of us our friends. Same like that, this king also impartial and wise. Wise means bright, intelligent. We should study and we will make bright, no? It's like that this king is very bright. He was fond of gardening. In his gardening, he always spent the time. Tending his time. Tending means what? Attending. Tending means attending. So he always attending in his garden for planting finest plants, vegetables, fruits like that. So the people are very happy because this king was very wise and just, no? The king did not have children, so all the people are started to worry because who is the next king, who is the successor. Successor means next king. If it is two children, the first elder son is the next king. If it is one child, he is the next successor. But this king does not have children, no. The king did not have children, so all the people started to worry. Who is the next successor? So he find a successor. The king thought of an idea, plan, not your mobile phone's idea, okay? He made one plan. He decided, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or princess. They can take 3 months for it. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation. What happened? He made one plan. What is his plan? He distributing the seeds for the children in all the country. The child who grows biggest and healthiest plant, they will be the prince. If it is boy, prince. If it is a girl, princess. They can giving how much time? Only 3 months. in within 3 months they will make the nice plant and bring to the kingdom. Like that, the king ordered the proclamation. Proclamation means announcing. Proclamation means announce. Announcing means tell in big voice, like that they announced. Next day what happened? A line of anxious parents and children formed outside in the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was one among these children. He too got a seed from the king and sowed it in a pot in his garden. He took great care of the seed. What happened? Many parents bring their children, formed the line outside the palace. Everyone was the eager. Eager means interest to take the seed, because who will get the best seeds, like that they are interested. In that children, one poor farmer's son had. His name was the Pingala. He was taken the seeds and sowed it in a pot very carefully. He took great care of this seed. Pingala watered and manured the seed. First we will put the water, then we will the manure. When we will give the manure? Not the seed, because if this Pingala did not sprout, Pingala changed the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. Weeks and months passed. One day Pingala went near the pot. He knelt before it. Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow, okay? But nothing happened. The next day, he saw children walking to the palace dressed in their best clothes. They all held well-grown plants. Pingala stood watching them sadly. What happened? Can you follow me now? Are you understand? Pingala watered and manure, but his seeds are not sprouted. So when we are manuring the seed, if the seed are manuring anyone, no. If it is, the plant is this much big, then we will manure. Manure means giving the fertilizer, chemicals and this cow dung, like that. But this Pingala's seeds are not sprouted. So he given water and manured also. Then also his seeds are not sprouted. Weeks and months passed. Then last this Pingala went near the pot and changed this pot seeds for another pot. Then also not sprouted. Then last he knelt near the pot and begged this pot. What happened? What he told? Only tomorrow, how can I go take this empty pot? Please sprout, yeah. Otherwise, how can I go this empty pot, like that? But next day also nothing happened. The next day children all went their color pots. He sadly saw all that going to the palace. He stood watching them sadly, very sadly watched them. Pingala's father had observed this son working hard to make the seed sprout. He felt sorry for Pingala. Why don't you go to the king with the empty pot? He asked. At least he will know you have tried your best, no? So Pingala too put on his best clothes and started off to the palace. He joined the others outside the palace, holding the empty pot in his hand. The other children laughed at him, but Pingala ignored him. What happened? When Pingala stood sadly, his father observed and asked, why don't you go to the palace, this empty pot? Then this Pingala told, why father, I am going this, how can I go this empty pot? All are bringing their flower plant, no? Then father told, no problem, at least take this empty pot, then the king will understand you tried level best, no problem, you will start. Then this Pingala put on his new dress, nice dress with his, and taken this empty pot. All are laughed at him. Why all are laughed? Because these are the children are taken nice plants, no. This Pingala's empty pot. So they are laughed. But this Pingala, no, don't care. Careless and went. How much days taking this sprouting for the seed? Can you tell? Can you know that time? 3 days to 8 days. Any seeds that is different from days. Some seeds are in 3 days itself sprouting. Some seeds are 6 days, 8 days like that. So the Pingala taken his pot to the palace. The king arrived and looked at the plants. The king start to arrived and start to observe all the pots. Children gathered in the courtyard of the palace with the flowery pots, red, blue, yellow. The courtyard had turned into bucket, full turned into bucket. The king looked at the children, their faces were shining with hope. The king sighed. He was not at all happy. What happened? The king observed the boy, came and stopped near this Pingala. All others are brought color this plants with them. Their face were shining with hope. Why? Because they are eager to take the different seeds, no. But this king was unhappy. He sighed. Sighed means what? Taking a big breath like this. Because unhappy. Why unhappy? We will see, okay? Next. At the end of the line stood Pingala. When the king reached him, he stopped. Why did you come with an empty pot, my child? Did your seed not grow into a plant? The king stopped with near the Pingala and asked, why did you come with an empty pot, dear? My child, why did you come empty pot? And did your seed not grow? Asked like that. Then what happened? Pingala held his head down and, forgive me, sir, your highness. I tried my best to grow the seed. I gave the best soil and manure to it, but the seed did not grow. A smile appeared on king's face. What happened? Understand? The king Pingala held down his head. Why Pingala done like that? He given respect to the king. When you are coming to the school, you met your teacher, no? Or when the teacher coming into the classroom, why are you telling good morning teacher or good afternoon? That is the giving respect to the teacher. Same like that, Pingala also bowed his head like this, giving respect to the king. I tried my level best, sir, highness, but I can't. These seeds are not sprouted. What can I do, sir? He told in sadly. But a smile appeared on king's face. What happened? The king was smiled. He hugged Pingala and announced, here is the crown prince. I had given everyone roasted seeds which would never grow. Only this boy is the honest. I am sure one day he will rule this kingdom justly. What happened? He came near the Pingala and hugged and announced, here is the crown prince. Why he announced? He hugged and shouted. Why? Because the king gave only that roasted seeds. Roasted means what? Your mother will roasting when making curry. She will be roasting the red chilies. Can you observe that? Roasting. Is it the roasted seeds are sprouting? You know, no, never sprouting. So this boy very many tried and his level best not sprouted, because only boy is the honest. What is the honest? Prompt. Honest is the best policy, you know. In our life also we will should honest in our life. What about the other children? The other children cheating their king, isn't it? When your parents or when your elders given some work, we will make in prompt. Otherwise, we will don't cheat the elders or parents. These children are very cheated. So this king decided this boy is the honest boy. He will be the kingdom. He will be the rule this kingdom. He will be the next successor. Okay, children, be safe, be careful. Okay.